After receiving your doorbell suit, once you unpack it, you have to make sure the following items are included. In this video, we'll be focusing on the transmitter and the receiver. Now scan the QR code that corresponds to your smartphone. You have to register with an email address, then activate the transmitter by pressing the ring button. In order to reset the transmitter, you have to push open the base . Once you push open the base, you have to hold down the reset button. The appearance of a white flashing light indicates a successful reset. In order to pair the receiver with the transmitter, plug the receiver into a power outlet, then press the music button. Once a white light starts flashing on the receiver, go ahead and press the ring button on the transmitter. Once the reset is done, go ahead and launch the app on your phone. Once the app is launched, from within the app, you can select the access point that begins with the initials Belling and the default password. You just input the numbers 8, like input the number 8 times. Once you're done with the access point, you'll be prompted to select the Wi-Fi network to which you wish to add your doorbell. Once you select the network you wish to use for your doorbell, go ahead and input the correct password. You can actually access motion activated feeds from within the app